Hi everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Cartel to be crowned king of the dancehall. The coveted title will be given to the DJ on Friday, July 18, Festival Night 1 of Reggae Sumfest, to be held at the Catherine Hall Entertainment Center in Montego Bay, St. James. A source close to event promoter Down Sound Promotion told the Gleaner last evening that following discussions with Joe Bogdanovich and the DJ, he has decided to accept the title. Cartel will be taking the crown from dancehall legend Beenie Man, who was named King of the Dancehall by Reggae Sumfest at its 2009 staging. Jacana bolsters the Is a Trust Foundation initiative with a generous donation. The cannabis dispensary handed over a check at its Manor Park location valued at $1 million to the Issa Trust Foundation to help with the completion of the Mary Issa Child and Adolescent Health Center. Speaking with E-Prime, marketing manager of Jacana, Laura Marley, shared that it was important to give back to the parish of St. Anne, with which Jacana has ties.
St. Anne is our home. It's where our farm is. It's, so we are very pleased to be giving back to the community that we are a part of. It's important for us to give back to the community where we are. There's no facility like it in St. Anne. It's an incredible endeavor or venture by the Issa Trust Foundation, and we're happy to help to move this along in any way, because we know that this is something that is absolutely necessary for the parish of St. Anne.
Marley revealed that the donation was raised from its 420 festival held back in April. This marks the ongoing partnership with the two entities, as last year Jacana made a donation at the For the Children Gala held in New York. Now, Kaga to bring the heat to Dancing Dynamite finale. Over $3 million to be awarded in cash and prizes. Season 19 of Charles Chocolate Dancing Dynamites comes to a grand close on Saturday at Jamaica College, as 4 finalists will go neck and neck to see who will walk away as this season's champion. But the dancers are the only ones set to bring the heat. Speaking with E-Prime, executive producer Jenny shared that Cargo is also slated to blow the roof off with an exhilarating performance.
We know Cargo is a big deal. Not sure if Lali will make it back from overseas, but Cargo is definitely going to turn up the thing. Whole heap of surprises. Jamaica Michael Jackson as well. So the pre-show is also happening. So you want to be there. Pre-show has lots of giveaways as well.
She added that for the first time, the second place winner will get a chance to represent Jamaica in a dance battle overseas.
We're talking about the fact that when you place second, you're getting way over $500,000. Plus, you get a chance to represent Jamaica in the epic dance battle, Ottawa, Canada. And they're going to be in the place as well. So we'll be guest performing in Ottawa, Canada. Canada will be coming here for the season 20. And they also get cash. They're getting a whole bunch of things from Devon Biscuits. They're getting things from Maggie. They're getting vouchers. They're getting a whole heap of goodies.
And E-Prime has the exclusive results, with the vote lines closing today. The 4 teams that have advanced to the finale are Explosive Dancers, Eltham High School, Fully Unknown, and Team Ignite. Make sure to go out and join the excitement this Saturday at 11 a.m. at Jamaica College, and watch the results show right here at 8:30 p.m. on TVJ. That's it for your weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.